The Dyson Gen5detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner promises exceptional cleaning power, intelligent features, and a focus on capturing hidden dust. This in-depth review explores the functionalities, performance, and overall value this high-end appliance offers. Dyson's most powerful HEPA cordless vacuum. Dyson boasts that the Gen5detect is their most powerful HEPA cordless vacuum to date. This translates to deeper cleaning and improved suction for tackling dirt, dust, and debris on various floor surfaces. Key features: HEPA filtration. The advanced HEPA filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.1 microns, expelling cleaner air and offering benefits for allergy sufferers. Intelligent power adaptation. The Gen5detect automatically adjusts suction power based on the floor type and debris it encounters. This optimizes cleaning efficiency and battery life. LCD display. This user-friendly display provides valuable information, including power mode, cleaning progress, runtime remaining, and maintenance alerts. Fluffy Optic cleaner head. This innovative head uses a precisely angled light to reveal invisible dust particles on hard floors, ensuring a more thorough clean. Digital motor bar cleaner head. This powerful head tackles dirt and debris on carpets and hard floors effectively. Additionally, its detangling design prevents hair from wrapping around the brush bar. Convertible design. The Gen5detect seamlessly transforms from a full-size vacuum to a handheld unit, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas, furniture, and upholstery with ease. Long runtime. With 70 minutes of runtime in eco mode, the Gen5detect provides ample cleaning power for most homes. Accessories. The included accessories like the crevice tool, dusting tool, and hair screw tool enhance versatility for cleaning various surfaces and removing pet hair. Performance and functionality. The Dyson Gen5detect lives up to its claim of powerful suction. The intelligent power adaptation ensures efficient cleaning on different surfaces, and the LED light on the Fluffy Optic head is a game changer for revealing hidden dust particles. The LCD display provides helpful information and feedback, while the convertible design adds to the overall user-friendliness. However, it's important to consider the price point. This is a premium appliance, and there are other high-quality cordless vacuums on the market at more affordable prices. Additionally, the 70-minute runtime might not be sufficient for very large homes, and some users might find the weight of the vacuum a bit heavy for extended cleaning sessions. Is the Dyson Gen5detect right for you? This vacuum is ideal for pet owners dealing with stubborn pet hair, allergy sufferers who value HEPA filtration and capturing microscopic dust particles, tech-savvy individuals who appreciate intelligent features and real-time cleaning feedback, those seeking a versatile cleaning solution for various floor types and surfaces. Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide. Pros: powerful suction with HEPA filtration, intelligent power adaptation, Fluffy Optic head reveals invisible dust, convertible design for handheld cleaning, long runtime in eco mode, high quality accessories. Cons: high price point, may be heavy for some users, runtime might not be sufficient for very large homes. Overall, the Dyson Gen5detect is a powerful and feature-rich cordless vacuum cleaner that delivers exceptional cleaning performance. While the premium price tag might deter some buyers, its intelligent features, innovative design, and focus on capturing unseen dust make it a compelling option for those seeking a top-of-the-line cleaning solution. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.